If you're 65 years old right now, 20 years from now, you're 85. Think about that for a second. 20 years isn't just a long time to own a car. For a lot of people watching this, 20 years is the entire rest of your driving life. So the question isn't which car is nice to drive this year. The question is, which car can you buy today, put in your driveway, and reasonably expect to still be starting up, backing out, and getting you to the grocery store, to church, to your grandkids' house, 2 decades from now, without a transmission failure, without an engine rebuild, without a $5,000 repair bill showing up out of nowhere. There is exactly one car that has earned the right to make that promise more than any other vehicle sold in America. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 specific model years of that car you should be looking for, why they're mechanically bulletproof, and which years to skip entirely. That car is the Lexus ES 350. Every car company claims reliability. It's on every brochure, every commercial, every dealership banner. So why does the ES 350 actually deserve to be singled out? 3 reasons, and they all stack on top of each other. First, the engine. The ES 350 from 2019 onward uses Toyota's G2R FKS, a 3.5-liter V6 that isn't some flashy new turbocharged unit trying to prove itself. It's a refined evolution of an engine family Toyota and Lexus have been building and improving for over 15 years. It uses both port and direct injection, which reduces carbon buildup on the intake valves, a problem that plagues a lot of direct injection-only engines from other manufacturers as they age. This is not a science experiment. This is a well-understood, thoroughly tested engine that mechanics across the country already know inside and out. Second, the transmission. Paired with that engine is an 8-speed automatic that Lexus and Toyota have tuned specifically for smooth, low-stress operation rather than aggressive sport shifting. Fewer sudden shifts, less strain on the internals, and a transmission cooling system robust enough to handle decades of stop-and-go driving without the overheating issues that kill transmissions early in cheaper vehicles. Third, the platform. Since 2019, the ES has been built on Toyota's GAK platform, the same global architecture underpinning the Camry and the RAV4, 2 of the most reliable, highest volume vehicles on the planet. When a platform underpins millions of vehicles worldwide, engineering problems get found and fixed fast. Parts stay abundant and cheap for decades, and every independent mechanic in the country already knows how to work on it. You're never going to struggle to find someone who can service this car, and you're never going to struggle to find parts for it, even 15 or 20 years from now. Put those 3 things together: a proven low-stress engine, a smooth shifting transmission built for longevity rather than speed, and a platform shared with the best-selling, most bulletproof cars in America, and you get a vehicle that isn't just reliable on paper. It's reliable in the way that actually matters, predictably, boringly, for a very long time. And on top of all of that mechanical foundation, every single ES 350 model year we're about to cover earned an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, the highest safety distinction the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gives out. That matters just as much as the mechanicals when you're talking about a car meant to protect you for the next 2 decades. Let's get specific. Not every ES 350 is created equal, and buying any ES 350 isn't good enough advice. Here are the 5 model years that hit the absolute sweet spot of proven reliability, modern safety technology, and value. Year 1, 2019 ES 350. The 2019 ES 350 is the first year of the 7th generation redesign, and it's the year that introduced a GAK platform to this car. Normally, a brand new redesign is the year you tell someone to avoid, first-year bugs, unproven components, but Lexus took a different approach here. Because the G2R FKS engine and the 8-speed transmission were both already proven in other Toyota and Lexus products before they landed in this generation of ES, the new generation risk that usually comes with a redesign was almost entirely eliminated. You got a brand new car built on a battle-tested foundation. That's about as close to a free lunch as the automotive world offers. Year 2, 2020 ES 350. The 2020 ES 350 ironed out the handful of minor first-year software and infotainment quirks that showed up in 2019, while keeping every single one of the same mechanical components underneath. If you want the new generation design with a slightly more polished ownership experience, 2020 is the safe, easy choice. Year 3, 2021 ES 350. By 2021, the ES 350 was fully mature. This is a year a lot of long-term reliability data really started pouring in from the 2019 and 2020 cars, and it confirmed what the engineering suggested from the start: extremely low warranty claim rates, minimal unscheduled maintenance, and an engine and transmission combination showing no signs of the kind of premature wear you'd worry about in a less proven design. 2021 also picked up some minor standard safety tech upgrades across the trim lineup, making it one of the strongest all-around values on this list. Year 4. 2022 ES350. The 2022 ES350 benefits from a full 3 years of real-world data backing up the platform, plus continued minor refinements to noise insulation and ride comfort. If you're the type of buyer who likes to let a design prove itself for a few years before jumping in, 2022 is the exact sweet spot where all of that proving out had already happened. Year 5 2023-2024 ES350. Rounding out the list, the 2023 and 2024 ES350 represent the most current, most refined versions of this same proven mechanical package. Lexus made no significant changes to the engine or transmission during this window, because there was nothing that needed fixing, and instead focused on infotainment updates and minor trim level tweaks. If you want the newest possible ES350 while still getting the exact same bulletproof drivetrain as a 2019 model, this is where you land. These are also the years you're most likely to find still under some remaining factory warranty coverage, which adds an extra layer of peace of mind for the first several years of ownership. Now, if your budget doesn't quite reach the 2019 and newer generation, there's one more group of years worth knowing about. The 2016 through 2018 ES350, the final 3 years of the 6th generation. These cars use a slightly older version of the same reliability philosophy, a naturally aspirated V6 paired with a conventional automatic, built on a platform that had already been in production for years by the time these model years rolled out. In plain terms, whatever bugs existed early, and by 2016, they were long gone. These aren't the newest ES350s, and they don't have the same modern safety tech suite as the 2019 and later cars, but mechanically, they're proven beyond doubt. There's a reason these specific years show up constantly on high-mileage reliability lists. You'll find no shortage of these cars still running strong well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance, barks, and standard wear items like brakes and tires. If budget is the deciding factor, these 3 years give you the vast majority of the ES350's legendary reliability at a noticeably lower price point. A reliable model year doesn't protect you from a poorly maintained individual car, so a few quick things to check no matter which of these years you land on. First, ask for maintenance records. You want to see regular oil changes, ideally every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, and evidence the transmission fluid was serviced even though Lexus lists it as a long interval item. Second, check the tires and brakes rather than just the odometer. A well-cared-for ES350 with 80,000 miles on it is often a better buy than a neglected one with half that mileage. Third, if you can, get a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic even on a car this reliable. It's a small cost that gives you real peace of mind before you commit to a car you're hoping to keep for the next 2 decades. Let's talk numbers, because reliability isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. It's about avoiding the slow bleed of unexpected repair bills that quietly drain a retirement budget. The average American spends somewhere between $400 and $800 a year on unscheduled car repairs once a vehicle passes the 100,000-mile mark, and that number climbs fast for vehicles with turbocharged engines, dual-clutch transmissions, or complex air suspension systems. Owners of the ES350's mechanical siblings, the Camry and the Avalon, consistently report unscheduled repair costs well below that national average, often under $300 a year, even well past 150,000 miles. There's no reason to expect the ES350 to behave any differently, since it's sharing the exact same driving DNA. Then there's parts availability. Because the GAK platform underpins some of the highest volume vehicles Toyota builds worldwide, replacement parts remain cheap and easy to source for decades after production. Nothing like the years-long waiting times and inflated prices you sometimes see with lower volume luxury brands once a model gets discontinued. Whether you're taking this car to a Lexus dealership or a trusted independent mechanic down the street, you're never going to hear the words, "that part's on back order for 6 months." 20 years of driving, for most retirees, works out to somewhere between 150,000 and 250,000 miles, depending on how often you're on the road. That might sound like a lot, but it's well within the range this platform is proven to handle without major mechanical intervention. Independent mechanics and long-term owner forums consistently report Toyota and Lexus 3.5-liter V6 engines from this family running well past 250,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes, spark plugs, and standard wear items like brakes and tires. That's the difference between a car that's supposed to last 20 years and a car that actually has a documented track record of doing exactly that, in real world, in real driveways, for real owners who never gave it a second thought. Here's the bottom line. If you want a car you can buy this year and realistically expect to still be driving reliably 20 years from now, the data, the engineering, and 2 decades of real-world track record all point to the same 5 answers: 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023 to 2024 Lexus ES 350. And if your budget calls for it, the 2016 to 2018 ES 350 gives you nearly the same peace of mind for less money. This isn't a car that's trying to impress you with gadgets or reinvent itself every year. It's a car built on the philosophy that the best kind of vehicle is the one you forget is even a machine, because